Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel Air Varieties. I am Charity P, and today we are going to make a belly fat remover drink. This drink will remove all your belly fat and flush down all the toxins from your body and keep you healthy and in shape. This is what I've been using, so I decided to also share with you. So this is a fat burning and detox drink. We are using natural ingredients. I have here cabbage and 1 green apple, 1 lemon, and ginger. Then I also have a tablespoon of cloves, and I have honey. So let's get started. So what we are doing now is we are going to cut our cabbage. I just needed half of it. So this is from my garden and it's fresh. So we are just using one of the cabbage that I've divided into how many parts? Just 2 parts. So we are going to slice it. It's a fat burner. It will burn out all the fat from your belly, make you poop well, and then remove all the toxins, all the bad fats. So after cutting, you are going to wash it. Now what I normally do is I'll add salt, with sea salt, and I'm going to steep it in the water for 10 minutes. Don't mind me, I love using calabash. So we make sure that the salt is dissolved well, and then we leave it in the water for a good 10 minutes so that we are sure that all the bacteria, anything that will be harmful to the system, is killed before we continue. So after the 10 minutes, we are going to throw the water away. Yes, I did the cleaning off camera because everyone can clean. So it has been thoroughly washed and all the salt have been removed from it. So the next thing we are going to do is I'm going to put it in a pot. So I'm adding a cup of water into my pot. I love using the clay pot because it also have its alkaline. So once I'm boiling everything, I'll need alkaline too. So what we are doing now is with 1 cup of water, you pour in your half chopped cabbage. Then the next thing is I'm adding my cloves which is 1 tablespoon. Here I have my lemon together with the seeds and the skin. I've cut it into pieces. I'm going to add it to my pot. And the last thing I'm using is ginger, but I have it in cubes. This is how I store my ginger. I blend it and then store it. So I'm adding 2 cubes. So you can use the fresh ginger and cut it yourself. At this point, I'm adding in another cup of water. I'll then cover and let it boil for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, that's what we've got. So we are going to take it off the fire and then strain. So strain out our water from it. So now I'm pouring it back to my self-made infuser. After straining, this is my self-made infuser. So now I'm pouring the apple that I've cut together with the seeds and everything. I'm not throwing anything away. And then I'll cover this. I'll cover this for 10 minutes. Yeah. I didn't put the apple on fire because I didn't want to lose all the nutritive value. So this is the reason why I'm infusing. After the 10 minutes of infusion, our tea is ready, our drink is ready. Remember, it's a fat burning drink for the belly, and it also removes toxins from your body. So all you have to do is to take a glass or a teacup, and then for me, I go with it without honey. But if you add honey, it's not bad. So you add just 1 tablespoon of honey. Take this early in the morning and the last thing before you go to bed, and this is going to help you keep in shape. It will flush out everything from your system very fast, leaving your tummy flat and nice. So guys, here we go. So lovely. This is all we have for now, and we thank all of you for watching. And our returning subscribers, we say thank you, and those new ones, we welcome all of you to this family of healthy living, juicy tips, and many more. So until we see you in our next video, stay healthy, keep drinking. Let's have all the flat tummies in the whole world, both the men and the women. And it's a bye.